We'll guide you through how to make a Facebook group. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.
First of all, you need to go to the top right of Facebook or the bottom right and go and click on the menu button. And then what you need to do is go into the Your Shortcut section and locate groups. You may need to click on See More to find it and then click on Groups. Go to the top right of this page and you should go and see a plus icon in a circle. Click on it and it will then say Create a Post or Create a Group. You need to click on Create a Group and we can then start. So go and give it a name and you can then choose the privacy. I'll make it public. And you can then go to the bottom and click on Create Group. It's then creating the group and there's a short setup process you can go through. So you can start by inviting people and you can then click on Next in the top right and you can then add a cover photo if you want. You can click on Next again. You can add a description and you can then go and start by sharing a post and you can then press Done in the bottom and that's it. If you guys found this useful, then please leave a like.